Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna teach you how to buy a string in vending machine in Japan. So there are many ways that you can buy the string from this vending machine. So one, you can pay by Visa card, credit card, or New Yen Pay. Two, you can pay by cash. Three, you can pay by cook-on company. So that is a vending company. So okay, right now I'm gonna put the money inside to get the string. So have a look. So first you have a case, and then what you want to buy, and you have to select the price, and then I'm gonna put money inside. I'm gonna put so I gonna get one orange juice. Wow, very expensive. So the price enough, you see the price here, 170 yen. So it's enough for this string. So this string is 170 yen. Then you push the string you want. Okay, now I take this. I want orange. Okay, now the string is fell down. So that's easy lies in Japan. So this vending machine they have everywhere around Japan, countryside everywhere. So it open 24 hour, guys. 24 hour. It's very convenient. The line is very convenient. So now I get the tree. So let me try. Good. So light is very convenient. You can buy everywhere. Well, thank you guys for your watching. Thank you. So I'm from Cambodia. I live in Japan. So I make a channels. So make sure please help me to subscribe my YouTube channel called Mr. Chef 1898. Thank you very much. I love you.